I really like those. This looks really good. Hi Kurlies, Emma here. Lana had me come and show you guys how I put in my ponytail fro for thick hair, because I know us thick-haired girls have a harder time putting on ponytails. So I have a really easy and quick way to show you guys how I install the ponytail fro. So if you want to see that, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna slick my hair up into a top ponytail, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair and section it into 4 different sections because my hair is a little bit thicker, and I'm just going to twist or braid each section of hair, and this helps just to bring the density down, so when I put the afro ponytail on, it's not gonna have like a huge bump at the base of my ponytail. So this is the ponytail. The beauty about this ponytail is, of course, it comes with the strings here, but what really keeps it safe and secure are these 2 clips. So you have one at the top and one at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is flip her on over, and then the first clip I'm gonna clip at the top of the base of the ponytail. And then I'm gonna find the next clip and clip it. So now I'm gonna take the 2 strings and then just wrap it around as many times as I feel is most secure for my head. I noticed Lana ties hers in a bow at the top, and I mean, you could do that. You could just wrap it around like how I do. To each his own. And then what I do is I just take it, twist it a few times, and I'm just gonna tuck it. And I'm just gonna take my bobby pin here, and then bobby pin the little leftover hanging pieces to the side. All right, Kurlies, and this is the final look with the afro ponytail. It is super glamorous, actually. Perfect for a date night, or, you know, whenever you want to spruce up your ponytail. I hope this was easy to follow, and make sure that you follow Kurly Klips here on YouTube and hit the notification bell, and follow Kurly Klips on Instagram. And you can always keep up with me too. I'm at the Emma Elise here on YouTube and on Instagram. Bye guys.